1 cursory, adjective.
लापरवाह, सरसरी, बराए नाम.
Hasty and therefore not thorough or detailed. Example, a cursory glance at the figures. Synonyms, perfunctory, desultory, casual, superficial, token, uninterested, half-hearted, inattentive. Antonyms, thorough, painstaking. 2 prosaic, adjective.
बेलुत्फ, बेमजा, आम.
Having or using the style or diction of prose as opposed to poetry, lacking imaginativeness or originality. Example, prosaic language can't convey the experience. Synonyms, unimaginative, uninspired, matter-of-fact, dull, dry, humdrum, mundane, pedestrian. Antonyms, imaginative, inspired. 3 depict, verb.
दिखाना, मंजर कशी करना.
Represent by a drawing, painting, or other art form. Example, paintings depicting Old Testament scenes. Synonyms, portray, represent, picture, illustrate, delineate, outline, reproduce, render, draw. Antonyms, hide, conceal, suppress. 4 atrocities.
मजालिम, संग दिल्ली.
An extremely wicked or cruel act, typically one involving physical violence or injury. Synonyms, cruelty, abomination, enormity, outrage, horror, monstrosity. Antonyms, goodness, righteousness, virtuousness. 5 flawed, adjective.
गलत, खराब, नाकिस.
Having or characterized by a fundamental weakness or imperfection. Example, a fatally flawed strategy. Synonyms, unsound, defective, faulty, distorted, inaccurate, incorrect, erroneous, imprecise. Antonyms, sound. 6 superlative, adjective.
सबसे आला, मुबालगा, बेहतरीन.
Of the highest quality or degree. Example, a superlative piece of skill. Synonyms, excellent, magnificent, wonderful, glorious, marvelous, brilliant, supreme, consummate. Antonyms, poor, unexceptional, mediocre. 7 diminutive, adjective.
जरा सा, कम, छोटा.
Extremely or unusually small. Example, a diminutive figure dressed in black. Synonyms, tiny, small, little, petite, minute, miniature, mini, minuscule, microscopic, nanoscopic. Antonyms, enormous. 8 impoverished, adjective.
मुफलिस, हाजतमंद, कंगाल.
Of a person or area, made poor. Example, impoverished villages. Synonyms, poor, poverty-stricken, penniless, penurious, destitute, indigent, impecunious, needy. Antonyms, rich, wealthy. 9 invoke, verb.
दुआ करना, मदद तलब करना, बुलाना.
Call on, a deity or spirit, in prayer, as a witness, or for inspiration. Example, the antiquated defense of insanity is rarely invoked in England. Synonyms, pray to, call on, appeal to, plead with, supplicate, entreat, solicit, beseech, beg. Antonyms, wave. 10 ire.
गुस्सा.
Anger. Synonyms, annoyance, fury. Antonyms, diligent, calm. 11 reactionary, adjective.
खदामत पसंद, लकीर का फकीर, रजत पसंद.
Opposing political or social progress or reform. Example, reactionary attitudes toward women's rights. Synonyms, right-wing, conservative, rightist, ultra-conservative, ultra-right, alt-right, blimpish. Antonyms, radical, progressive. 12 communal, adjective.
फिरका वाराना, गिरोही, बस्ती का.
Shared by all members of a community, for common use. Example, a communal bathroom and kitchen. Synonyms, shared, joint, common, general, public, collective, cooperative, community, communalist. Antonyms, private, individual. 13 chastity, noun.
पाकीज़गी, पाकदामनी, नफासत.
The state or practice of refraining from extramarital, or especially from all, sexual intercourse. Example, vows of chastity. Synonyms, celibacy, chasteness, virginity, abstinence, self-restraint, self-denial, singleness. Antonyms, promiscuity, immorality. 14. Spurn, verb.
ठुकराना, ठोकर मारना.
Reject with disdain or contempt. Example, he spoke gruffly, as if afraid that his invitation would be spurned. Synonyms, refuse, decline, say no to, reject, rebuff, scorn, turn down, turn away, repudiate. Antonyms, accept, agree, to, approve. 15. Wrath, noun.
शदीद गुस्सा, गैज़.
Extreme anger. Example, he hid his pipe for fear of incurring his father's wrath. Synonyms, anger, rage, fury, annoyance, indignation, outrage, pique, spleen. Antonyms, happiness, good humor. 16. Illustrate, verb.
मिसालों से समझाना, रोशन करना.
Provide a book, newspaper, etc., with pictures. Example, the guide is illustrated with full-color photographs. Synonyms, decorate, adorn, ornament, embellish, accompany, provide artwork for. Antonyms, obscure, misinterpret, mystify, confuse, misrepresent. 17. Enthusiastic, adjective.
पुरजोश, परवलवला, सरगर्मी.
Having or showing intense and eager enjoyment, interest, or approval. Example, he could be wildly enthusiastic about a project. Synonyms, eager, keen, avid, ardent, fervent, warm, passionate, zealous, lively, vivacious. Antonyms, apathetic. 18. Worrisome, adjective.
परेशान कुन, तशवीशनाक.
Causing anxiety or concern. Example, a worrisome problem. Synonyms, worrying, daunting, alarming, perturbing, trying, taxing, vexatious, niggling, bothersome. Antonyms, light, distressing, distressful. 19. Sluggish, adjective.
काहिल, सुस्त, हल्का.
Slow-moving or inactive. Example, a sluggish stream. Synonyms, inactive, quiet, slow, slow-moving, slack, flat, depressed, stagnant, static. Antonyms, busy, brisk. 20. Enthusiasm, noun.
गर्मजोशी, वलवला, जोशो खुरूश.
Intense and eager enjoyment, interest, or approval. Example, her energy and enthusiasm for life. Synonyms, eagerness, keenness, ardor, fervor, warmth, passion, zeal, zealousness, zest. Antonyms, apathy. 21. Apathy, noun.
मुर्दा दिल्ली, बेपरवा, संदिल्ली.
Lack of interest, enthusiasm, or concern. Example, widespread apathy among students. Synonyms, indifference, lack of interest, lack of enthusiasm, lack of concern, unconcern, uninterestedness. Antonyms, enthusiasm, interest, passion. 22. Squander, verb.
फजूल खर्च करना, लुटाना.
Waste something, especially money or time, in a reckless and foolish manner. Example, £100 million of taxpayers' money has been squandered on administering the tax. Synonyms, waste, misspend, misuse, throw away, dissipate, fritter away, run through, lose. Antonyms, manage, make good use of, save. 23. Reluctant, adjective.
नारजामंद, हिचकिचाहट, अड़ियल.
Unwilling and hesitant, disinclined. Synonyms, unwilling, disinclined, unenthusiastic, grudging, resistant, resisting, opposed, antipathetic. Antonyms, willing, eager, ready.
24. Starve, verb, फाका कशी, भूख से मरना.
Suffer or die, or cause to suffer or die from hunger. Example, she left her animals to starve. Synonyms, dying of hunger, dying from lack of food, faint from lack of food, deprived of food. Antonyms, well-fed, full. 25. Ditch, verb.
खाई, खड्डा, खंदक, गड़ा.
Provide with a ditch or ditches. Example, he was praised for ditching the coastal areas. Synonyms, dig a ditch in, provide with ditches, trench, excavate, drain. Antonyms, keep. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.